Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save time with ChatGPT automation features. So I will be on my ChatGPT and basically a ChatGPT can save you time by automating repetitive tasks. So here are some ways to use it. So number one is that drafting emails and documents. ChatGPT can help you quickly generate emails, replies, reports and other documents saving you time on writing. So if I just tab on my email address and right over here, if I just tab on my email address, so this email is on your channel has lost access to advanced features. So what gonna do, I will just copy this email till end, and I will just go back in the chat GPT. Before pasting, you will just say that write a reply on this email, and simply you will just after you will just paste the email, and here you will see ChatGPT is reply. So you can just simply copy it and reply to your email. So in this email, it will write it. Thank you for reaching out and informing me about the current status of my channel. I understand that the loss of access to advanced features is due to insufficient channel history or potential community guidelines issues. So you will just simply copy it, and from here you will just type your name, and in reply you will just simply paste it, and you will just tab on send it. So in this way you can save your time without writing an email yourself. You can just use chat gpt easily, and hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.